Okay, now we get the sponge, get it roughly formed to shape, dip it in the paint, and we're now going to just go around where I think some of these bushes are going to be. Let's have, what we can do here, we can get a more of a bluey tone, so we get the Payne's grey and the white, which doesn't have quite so much yellow in it, and we're going to put one in here. And go a little bit darker with the Payne's grey. We want a little darker tone now. It's probably still not quite dark enough yet. I think we need to soften this a bit because it's misty, so we'll go a little bit more white and a bit more grey, so a bit more of the Payne's grey. Like that. Yeah, that's much darker, much better. Going to blend a little bit in here as well. Now, I think what we'll have, well, let's come to the Payne's grey here. Let's get it really quite grey and dark. It's quite easy to blend like this. Now we've still got some of this nice light grey here, so I'm just going to pull some of that up and blend into this where I want it to be quite misty. Like that.